Module overview. While each type of real estate residential, commercial, industrial, and land has distinct features, their interrelationships, overlapping policies, economic functions, and long-term impacts must be understood in context. Module 5 goes beyond the segmented understanding of each real estate class and focuses on their comparative structures, policy drivers, market behaviors, investment profiles, and socio-economic implications. This module is designed to synthesize everything learned so far by enabling you to evaluate and contrast the asset classes in terms of development purpose, legal frameworks, profitability and investment performance, demographic influences, government regulation and macroeconomic dynamics, emerging opportunities and risks. You will explore multi-use developments, real estate cycles, market segmentation, financing frameworks, urban planning synergies, and how socio-political factors impact each type differently. The module also integrates global comparisons and evaluates post-COVID transformations, climate-driven shifts, and technology-led innovations across the real estate spectrum. Purpose and function of each real estate type. Residential provides shelter, builds community, offers rental and capital appreciation. Commercial facilitates business, supports retail, generates cash flow, and long-term leases. Industrial drives logistics, production, storage, and enables large-scale trade and export. Land acts as the foundation for all property types and stores speculative and resource value. Profitability and ROI comparison. Residential, stable, less volatile, ideal for rental income and long-term gains. Commercial, higher returns but cyclical, tied to economic strength and tenant quality. Industrial, increasing demand due to e-commerce and supply chain expansion. Land, long hold appreciation, lower liquidity, speculative but high upside with infrastructure. Market demand and occupancy drivers. Here we are going to be using type, key occupants, and influencing factors in our table. 1. Residential families, students, workers. Population growth, employment, migration. 2. Commercial retailers, offices, banks. Consumer behavior, GDP, internet disruption. 3. Industrial factories, logistics, warehousing trade, supply chains, automation. 4. Land developers, farmers, investors, government plans, road networks, zoning. Legal. Zoning and compliance differences. Residential, often stricter tenancy laws and building codes. Commercial, complex lease contracts, business zoning, signage rules. Industrial, environmental laws, noise, emission control, heavy-duty specs. Land, subject to acquisition acts, zoning conversion, ownership disputes, taxation, levies, and fiscal treatment. Residential residents often benefit from mortgage relief and homestead tax breaks, commercial tax on business operations, signage, and rental income. Industrial may attract tax holidays and free trade zones, land taxed minimally until developed, then higher post-conversion. Risk and volatility factors. In this module, we will be using risk factor, residential, commercial, industrial, and land in our table. 1. Market volatility, low, medium, medium. High 2, regulatory risk, medium, high, high, high 3. Environmental risk, low, medium, high, high 4. Development risk, low, medium, medium, very high vacancy risk, medium, high, medium, NA. Investment suitability and strategy. Residential, best for first-time investors, consistent rental yield, easy resale. Commercial, suitable for portfolio diversification and higher income streams. Industrial, ideal for long leases, REITs, and logistics-centric investors. Mixed use and integrated developments. The convergence of residential, retail, entertainment, and office spaces, lifestyle estates, urban hubs, satellite cities, impact on traffic flow, urban planning, land value, and sustainability. Global trends and policy comparisons. Affordable housing policies, residential. Smart retail evolution, commercial. Green warehousing and circular economy, industrial. Land reform and urban sprawl control, land. Post-pandemic and technological disruption impact. Remote work reshaping residential and office demand. E-commerce driving logistics and industrial expansion. Digital land registries reduce fraud. Data-driven property management systems and real-time valuations. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you will compare and contrast different types of real estate based on return, usage, policy, and risk. Evaluate asset performance in various economic and demographic conditions. Identify suitable real estate types for different investor goals. Understand how mixed-use projects affect zoning and market strategy. Assess real estate classes through a global and future-oriented lens.